Are you unconfident? Well, lack of confidence boils down to a few things. First, you might not have enough market experience, or you might not have a clearly defined system and trading processes. Also, a combination of both is possible, which is pretty much when you are a beginner trader. So, if you are a new trader that has been trading for less than 2 years, you must focus on gaining experience. Backtest, forward test, journal your trades, observe the markets every single day, demo trade, and keep studying and learning. This is your current goal, right? Your goal is not to make profits, your goal is to gain market experience. Now, if you are experienced but you're still doubting, then you need to explore your system, your processes, and your mindset, because this is probably where the problem lies for you, right? Let me ask you a few questions. Do you have an easy to follow strategy that you can write down and keep it simple? Do you know when to enter and exit your trades? Do you know when and when not to trade, right? Do you have a timing for your trades? Do you know how to prepare and do your analysis in a systematic fashion, right? If you ask those questions and if you have any doubt about them, then this is where your problem is. So go and observe. Lack of confidence has many core problems, so make sure to dig deeper and the answer will emerge.